Hey guys, this is Sir Lee Knows and I am back for this video on using appropriate cohesive devices in various types of speech. Before we start, let me ask a little favor from you. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will not miss any update from this channel. Thank you very much. Let's get started. Cohesion is the way we link or connect the text together. It is important how well these parts of text, these words, sentences, and paragraphs fit together. That is why the proper use of cohesive devices in our text or speech is necessary. Let's look at these types of cohesive devices and their examples. 1. Pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are simple cohesive devices. Examples of these are he, she, it, and they. A reflexive pronoun refers to a pronoun that was previously mentioned in the text or speech. Nouns and pronouns must agree in gender, number and person. Example, he injures himself. In this sentence, the reflexive pronoun himself refers to the previously mentioned pronoun he. Note this simple rule though, be very clear what your pronoun refers to. Avoid using too many pronouns in one sentence for it can easily confuse your readers or listeners. If you have to refer to multiple subjects in one sentence, substitute the pronoun for something else. Example, he said he could not find her. You can say, Hugo said he could not find her. Just replace the first pronoun with a name. Another example, the citizens refused to obey him. You can say instead, they refused to obey the mayor. You can substitute either pronoun to make your sentence more reader or listener friendly. 2. Conjunctions. Using conjunctions is considered the most basic way to connect parts of text together. Examples of these are, and, but, or, yet, so. Example, I play volleyball and I swim. We wanted to go to the beach, but it rained. You can go for a movie, or you can play basketball. His ways look strange, yet they are so effective. Brian was so hardworking so he got the award.
Nice.
3. Adverbial conjunctions or conjunctive adverbs. These are more complex cohesive devices and are also known as transitional tags. Even, thus, although, and instead are few examples of these. In a sentence, it follows this pattern, independent clause plus semicolon plus conjunctive adverb plus comma plus dependent clause. Look at this sentence, I've got my reservation a couple of days ago, in addition, I came here first. Take a look at these sentences. 1. He went to the mall yesterday, however, he didn't buy anything. 2. This is a very expensive computer, on the other hand, I really enjoy using it. 3. Jeremy kept slacking off in class, therefore, he got a failing mark. 4. I like this soup a lot, in fact, this is my favorite.
Oh my god! Wow!
That's the end of this lesson. Remember that by writing or speaking coherently, we can communicate with our readers and listeners more smoothly and clearly.
Wow!
See you on my next video. Peace out.